Have you ever wondered why certain people or opportunities seem to slip away no matter how hard you try to hold on to them? Sometimes the secret to rekindling those connections doesn't lie in doing more, but rather in changing how we approach what we already have. Today, we will explore how letting go of certain habits and accepting personal growth can significantly impact your ability to draw both people and opportunities back into your life. Let's dive into how you can transform your approach and see a remarkable change. Attachment is a natural part of human relationships and our interactions with the world. It's about the connections we form with people, places, and even the dreams we chase. But when these attachments become too tight, they can lead to a sense of desperation and fear, a fear of loss that paradoxically pushes away the very things we wish to hold close. It's like holding sand in your hand, grip it too tightly, and it trickles through your fingers. We discuss how understanding the nature of your attachments can provide you with insights into why you might be driving away people and opportunities. By acknowledging that the intensity of your grip can have the opposite effect, you open the door to modulating your emotional investment. It's not about caring less, it's about caring wisely, ensuring that your emotional investment doesn't lead to dependency or fear-driven actions. This realization is the first step towards creating a healthier dynamic in your personal and professional interactions. Self-reflection is a powerful tool in understanding your behaviors and their impacts. It involves looking inward to examine your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions and seeing how they manifest in your interactions with others. Are there patterns in your behavior that might be contributing to your current situation? Perhaps there's a tendency to control or a fear of being alone that influences how you relate to others. This encourages you to take a step back and view your actions as if you were an outside observer. This isn't about being overly critical, but rather about gaining a clear and objective understanding of yourself. By identifying patterns that may be sabotaging your relationships and opportunities, you can begin to work on them. Self-reflection enables you to make conscious changes in your behavior, changes that can make you more open, approachable, and able to maintain the connections that matter most to you. Both understanding attachment and engaging in self-reflection are foundational steps in re-attracting what you've lost or fear losing. They provide a basis for the more proactive steps we will discuss later, steps that involve actively improving how you relate to the world and the energy you emit. Let's keep exploring these concepts and remember the journey to reconnection begins with you. Think of change as an opportunity for personal evolution, a chance to shed behaviors and mindsets that no longer serve you well. We'll focus on the importance of being open to new experiences and learning. This could mean developing new skills, altering old habits, or simply adopting a more positive outlook on life. Embracing change doesn't necessarily mean altering the core of who you are. It's about enhancing yourself, making small adjustments that can lead to significant impacts. For instance, becoming more mindful of your reactions in stressful situations can improve how others perceive and interact with you. It's these nuances in behavior that can reignite old flames and foster the return of lost opportunities. And holding on to negative emotions is like carrying a heavy weight that drags you down, impacting not only your well-being, but also how you relate to others. Negative emotions such as bitterness, resentment, or anger can cloud your judgment and affect your interactions. If you find yourself stuck in a cycle of negative emotions, it's unlikely that you'll be able to rebuild lost connections or attract new ones effectively. Let's discuss the liberating power of letting go of these toxic feelings. Begin by acknowledging these emotions without judgment. Recognize that while these feelings are valid, they do not have to define your actions or your outlook on life. Techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, or even journaling can be invaluable tools in managing and eventually releasing these emotions. By clearing your mind and heart of negativity, you make space for positive interactions and allow old and new opportunities to flourish. This isn't just about making others want to return, but about creating a healthier, happier you, capable of engaging with the world in a more meaningful way. Through embracing change and releasing negative emotions, you set the stage for a more positive and open interaction with the world. These steps are essential as they not only enhance your personal growth, but also improve your chances of attracting what you desire into your life. Let's continue to build on these concepts as each step brings us closer to understanding how to welcome back what we've missed and perhaps discover new opportunities we hadn't previously imagined. Forgiveness is a transformative act that not only heals relationships, but also clears the path for personal peace and renewal. It involves letting go of past grievances and the pain associated with them, which often hold us back from moving forward. Forgiving someone, including yourself, can lift the emotional barriers that prevent those who have drifted away from feeling comfortable to return. We explore the power of forgiveness as an essential component of healing. Forgiving doesn't mean you forget or approve of past hurts, but rather that you choose to release the hold these experiences have on you. This act of letting go can significantly alter the energy you project, transforming you into someone who is approachable and capable of rebuilding old bridges. Forgiveness is not just about the other person. It's about setting yourself free from the chains of bitterness, allowing you to invite positive experiences and relationships back into your life. Living your best life is about focusing on finding joy and fulfillment in your daily activities, regardless of the external circumstances or the presence of specific individuals. It's about creating a life that feels complete with or without the people and opportunities you once had. When you focus on your happiness and well-being, you naturally become more attractive to others. People are drawn to individuals who exude confidence and contentment. It emphasizes the importance of investing in your passions, nurturing your talents, and indulging in activities that bring you genuine happiness. Whether it's pursuing a new hobby, advancing your career, or improving your physical health, each step towards your personal fulfillment sends out a message to the universe that you are thriving. This positive energy is magnetic. It attracts like-minded people and reinvigorates old connections with a new sense of admiration and interest. Through the power of forgiveness and the commitment to living your best life, you lay a strong foundation for not only inviting back what you've lost, but also attracting new opportunities that align with your elevated state of being. Each step forward in this journey enriches your life, making every moment and every interaction more meaningful and rewarding. Let's keep building on this momentum, understanding that every positive change we make enhances our connections with both ourselves and others. The energy we emit plays a crucial role in how we connect with the world around us. Positive energy not only improves our own well-being, but also influences how others perceive and interact with us. By sending out positive signals through our words, actions, and thoughts, we can create an inviting atmosphere that encourages others to reconnect with us. Let's focus on the practical ways you can enhance the positivity you share with the world. Start with simple daily affirmations that reinforce your self-worth and potential. Practice gratitude by acknowledging and appreciating the small joys and victories each day brings. This could be as simple as savoring a morning coffee or thanking a friend for their support. Each act of gratitude amplifies your positive energy, making you more approachable and appealing to both old friends and new acquaintances. Understanding the importance of patience and timing can significantly impact your efforts to reconnect with lost friends or opportunities. Sometimes, no matter how much we grow or change, the things we desire do not come back to us immediately. It's essential to recognize that some things may only return when the time is right, and others might not return at all. This realization isn't a reflection of failure, but a sign of maturity and understanding of life's unpredictable nature. In this part of our discussion, we encourage you to cultivate patience and stay open to the flow of life. Accept the concept that good things take time and that waiting can be an opportunity for further growth and reflection. It's crucial not to rush or force connections. Instead, allow them to develop naturally. And this approach not only sets the stage for more meaningful reconnections, but also helps you remain calm and collected, ready to welcome back people and opportunities at the right moment. By sending out positive signals and cultivating patience, you prepare yourself not just to invite back what you've lost, but also to welcome new experiences and relationships. Each step is crucial in building a life that attracts and nurtures quality connections characterized by mutual respect and genuine interactions. Let's continue to accept these practices, knowing that each day brings us closer to realizing a life filled with meaningful relationships and fulfilling opportunities. When the time feels right to reach out and reconnect with someone from your past, or to seize an opportunity that once slipped through your fingers, approaching with a positive and balanced mindset is key. Reconnection should be gentle and respectful, mindful of the boundaries and the current state of both parties involved. It offers guidance on how to approach reconnections with tact and grace. Start by assessing the situation with a clear and open mind, considering the feelings and perspectives of others involved. When you do decide to reach out, communicate openly and honestly, expressing your thoughts and feelings without overwhelming the other person. It's important to convey that you respect their space and their pace, allowing them to engage with you at a level that feels comfortable for them. This approach not only makes the reconnection more likely to succeed, but also builds a foundation for a more robust and balanced relationship moving forward. Sometimes the final step in trying to bring someone or something back into your life is fully letting them go. This might seem counterintuitive, but letting go is a powerful statement of trust in the natural flow of life and relationships. It demonstrates a belief that what is truly meant for you will find its way back without force or manipulation. We will look into the concept of letting go as an act of faith and confidence in yourself and your journey. Letting go doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you hold on to your peace and let the universe take care of the rest. Whether or not the person or opportunity returns, this act of letting go ensures that you are not held back by attachment or halted by unresolved expectations. It frees you to receive new joys and possibilities, fully prepared and open to the next chapter of your life, whatever it may bring. By accepting the tactics for reconnection and understanding the profound impact of letting go, you equip yourself with a balanced perspective on relationships and opportunities. Each step in this journey enhances not just your chances of rekindling lost connections, but also prepares you for whatever new adventures life has in store. As we conclude, remember that each day is an opportunity to practice these principles, continually growing and enriching your life with every experience and interaction. As we conclude this exploration of reconnection and personal growth, remember that the journey you are on is deeply personal and profoundly impactful. Each step you've taken today towards understanding, forgiveness, and self-improvement not only sets the stage for past connections to be rekindled, but also paves the way for new ones to flourish. Move forward with the confidence that by embodying these principles, you are creating a life filled with richer relationships and more meaningful opportunities. May your continued efforts bring both fulfillment and joy as you navigate the complexities of life's connections. Thank you for taking this journey today. May it inspire you to approach each day with a renewed spirit and an open heart.